Today we are making high protein truffles. You will need 1/2 a cup of vanilla protein powder, 1/4 a cup of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of Oreo Jell-O mix, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 serving of collagen, and 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. So I'm gonna combine all these ingredients in a bowl. It does not have to be in any specific order, as we are just gonna mix these up to form our truffles. So I'm gonna add my yogurt, and then I'm going to add Titan Whey vanilla protein powder. And then I'm going to add our chocolate Titan protein powder. And then we are gonna use a natural peanut butter, but of course you could use, whatever peanut butter you prefer or nut butter that you prefer. And then last but not least, we're gonna do the cocoa powder in the Oreo Jell-O mix, which is delicious, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And we're gonna add 1 scoop of collagen and mix our ingredients well. Once you have everything well mixed, we're gonna form these into balls and place them in the freezer. Our truffles are just about done cooling off, so we are going to take our topping and prepare it. So I have chocolate chips and coconut oil, and I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, so our topping is done. You guys can drizzle your truffle balls, or you can dip the whole truffle ball in the chocolate. Do whatever you want. I'm gonna take my truffle ball, and I am just going to dip half of mine in the topping. And these are the perfect little snack for anytime you're needing something sweet and not trying to ruin your macros for the day.